Looks like we might get it.
Yeah, as we saw out in California, it's way too dry out there, and we're not far from those levels of dryness.
Well, yeah, we're actually kind of very similar when it comes to drought from California to Texas, but we're seeing one of the driest years and summers on record, and as a result, the lakes are not doing so well either. Matter of fact, besides Canyon Lake at 90%, all the other ones are in a deficit. I mean, you can see the negative one-year changes. Medina Lake's at 11% full. It's doing terribly. And you can see Choke Canyon down to 35%. And similar numbers across the region and across South Texas. Now, also another result of the lack of rainfall and the ongoing drought is the burn bans. You can see almost every county across our region and even across the state is included in some type of burn ban. So if you have any plans outdoors for the next 7 to 10 days, please avoid any outdoor burning. Fires will likely spark and jump from ember to ember, from spot to spot very quickly. And with ongoing drought, it's just going to make for a bad setup. Southeast winds at 21 this evening. Feels nice out there with that nice gusty breeze. 89 feels like 92 though when you tag on the humidity. It feels still pretty warm and humid out there. Now when you factor in how many days we've hit 100 degrees, that's 45 total days this year. That ranks third in San Antonio history. Now, the next year on the list for second place is 2011. On that year in history, San Antonio hit 100 plus 57 times. So we're not too far from that. And the 7 days, it filled with a lot of triple-digit heat. And we'll show you that in just a bit. 86 in Helotes, a few degrees warmer at Timberwood Park at 89, 85 at Lavernia, and 88 in Stinson. Lower 90s out to the southwest, and Del Rio's at 95 at 10:30 at night. It is very warm this evening, and you can see tomorrow's forecast. Very similar, right? Rinse and repeat. A little bit of morning cloud cover, maybe a few sprinkles in the early morning hours prior to sunrise. But after that, mostly clear skies and highs near 101 for your Monday afternoon. Now, in terms of rain chances through Tuesday, very bleak, but by Tuesday night and then Wednesday and Thursday and even to Friday, there is a slightly better chance. I want to manage expectations. It's not going to be a lot, but it'll be enough to at least talk about a chance at rain. Now, right now it's quiet. We had a few sea breeze showers out near Houston earlier today. Zooming out, showing you the bigger picture, there is a ridge of high pressure over Oklahoma. And what that's doing is redirecting any rain away from San Antonio. Now, watch what happens through the next few days. It kind of traverses and moves farther east by midweek. What that will do is open the door for some moisture to move in from the Gulf, from the southeast, and that's going to drive our long-term weather pattern. And again, it's not going to be a huge chance at rain. Most of the rain that materializes Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week will be along the coast. Galveston, Corpus Christi, Matagorda Bay, and towards San Antonio, some of those isolated showers could get going. So through Tuesday, it's quiet, it's sunny, it's hot, highs near 100. Wednesday and Thursday roll around. Here comes some moisture from the Gulf, and that may spark off our next chance at rain, which right now is only running at about 20%, but it's better than nothing. 101 for tomorrow, 100 on Tuesday, mornings in the 70s, triple digits through Friday, and we back off on the heat. If you can say that, instead of 101 on Saturday, we're hitting about 99 by this time next weekend. Guys.